Hi, welcome to Boorman Lawyers. Today we are going to look at appearing in a Gold Coast court on a drink driving offence.
Hi, welcome to Boorman Lawyers. My name is Josh Boorman. I'm a principal here at Boorman Lawyers, and I'm a specialist solicitor in the area of traffic and criminal law in Queensland. Basically, in relation to traffic law on the Gold Coast, if you've been charged with a drink driving offence or a drug driving offence or other significant or serious traffic matter, then police will generally require you to come to court to appear in relation to such a serious traffic offence. On the Gold Coast, there are two main magistrates courts which predominantly deal with quite serious traffic matters in the Gold Coast area. The main court is that of the Southport Magistrates Court. This is quite a large courthouse, and it is considered to be the second busiest courthouse in the whole state of Queensland. So there's usually a high volume of matters before the court on a daily basis. If you've been charged with drink driving, drug driving, disqualified driving, suspended driving, dangerous driving, all these sorts of serious types of traffic matters, then on the Gold Coast, then it is highly likely that you'll have to attend the Southport Magistrates Court. Rest assured, we attend Southport Magistrates Court quite regularly. We are aware which magistrates are there. We have good working relationships with the prosecutors, and we constantly obtain favourable results for our clients when we appear at the Southport Magistrates Court. Alternatively, the second and quite smaller Magistrates Court on the Gold Coast is that of the Coolangatta Magistrates Court, which is just on the Queensland side of the Queensland-New South Wales border. It's a lot smaller courthouse with only 2 or 3 courtrooms there, and usually only one operating at the one time, one courtroom operating at the one time. But it does deal with a lot of these types of Queensland traffic matters which need to appear before a magistrate's court. Certainly, if you've been charged with quite a serious traffic matter such as drink driving or drug driving in the very southern end of the Gold Coast, then it may very well mean that you fall within the catchment area of Coolangatta and the matters that are dealt with by the Coolangatta Magistrates Court. Certainly, we appear at Coolangatta Magistrates Court quite regularly, and even areas surrounding that, such as Tweed Heads Local Court, and even far down as Byron Bay and northern New South Wales. There are other surrounding Magistrates Court to the Gold Coast, which we do obviously appear at, such as the Bundall Magistrates Court and the other very busy Magistrates Court, which is located at Beenleigh, halfway between the Gold Coast and Brisbane. But certainly Southport Magistrates Court is the busiest and predominant and main court on the Gold Coast. That if you have been charged with a criminal or serious traffic offence, then it is very likely you will have to attend that court. By all means, if you have been charged with a serious traffic offence on the Gold Coast, then you should very much obtain some advice in relation to your situation. Feel free to go along to our website there, check out the traffic law section. In particular, you'll want to go through to the Queensland traffic law section, which will have a heap of information there surrounding laws, penalties, offences, blog post videos, and various other information that you should read up on and make yourself aware of your particular situation. And by all means, feel free to give me a call, contact me either on the telephone or through the website. I'm happy to have a free first telephone consult with you to discuss a bit more about your situation, what you can expect when you go to court. And I can also explain to you how we can best represent you, put in place a well thought out and strategic plan to obtain the best results for you when your matter comes before court. Thanks for tuning in, guys.